everybody. I have another little animal to introduce you to. This is my hamster, Phoebe. She's a Russian dwarf, but she is precious, never stops moving. I can never take a photo of her. Always has to be a video because she literally doesn't stop moving. She's very sweet. She doesn't bite. She's got a really cool enclosure, which I have to clean one of these days. And I'll make a video of that because she's always kind of she's stressed when I clean her cage. I call her a doomsday prepper. She's that type of person. Well, she's if she was a person, she would be that person buying toilet paper long before this scare happens. So she's a doomsday prepper. Um, Loves hoarding food. Loves making tunnels. Loves running on her wheel. And she's pretty active at really random times. They're technically nocturnal, but she's been pretty active like around noon every day since I've been home. So yeah, this is Phoebe. She's a very sweet little girl. I know Skylin has a hamster. Maybe you can show us a picture of your little hammy. Um, yeah, that's Phoebes. Yay. How do I stop this? Yay. She's really hard to record because like I don't want to drop her, but also like look how cute that is. Look at her little face. Such a cute little face. Always wanted a hamster. Did not get one until this past summer. And now I just spoil her because she's so cute. So cute. So cute. She likes peanuts too. That's another fun fact about Phoebe. Loves her peanuts.